Sligo Libraries are delighted to be back live again this year for Cruinniú 2022. It's a flagship event on our calendar and it's an initiative of the Creative Ireland's youth programme, enabling children and young people to engage in free activities and events, learning new skills and often developing new hobbies.
I'm Rosemary and I did the dance workshop at Cruinniú. My favourite part was probably the hip hop because it was really fun.
Hi, my name is Poppy and I did the amazing music workshop at Cruinniú. My favourite part was playing all the instruments and listening to the music. And my favourite instrument was the violin.
Hi, my name is Scarlett. I performed with my junior band Saving Sligo at Cruinniú. I was so excited singing in front of all my friends with such a crowd.
My name is Sean. I just performed in Cruinniú, me and my band, Uneducated. We really enjoyed it. It was a lovely atmosphere. I actually got a chance to see the other performances on the day as well, and they were all really, really good. There was a great buzz on the day.